Hello, good morning. I hope you're doing well and you're following through our discussion. And today I'll be taking you through the prevention of typhoid. We want to see how can you avoid this infection. And one of the key points that we are going to talk about is as a way of prevention is hand hygiene. When we talk about hand hygiene, we discover that you can easily get typhoid when you're not going to observe hand hygiene. And hand hygiene, it means that most of the us, as when we visit toilet, we don't wash our hands. When we shake hands, those who are used to greet people by shaking of hands, we don't also wash our hands after shaking. So it's good when you observe hand hygiene, and this means that after just visiting the toilet, it's good to thoroughly wash your hands. Ensure that you wash your hands using a good detergent, and make sure that your hands are clean so that when you're getting a meal and you want to eat, you ensure that your hands are clean. The second thing that we need to consider is about water. We find that you can easily get typhoid through water, contaminated water, especially for those people who are living in towns. And what we understand that is that sometimes you find that the water point or what is not treated from the point of from the source. So it's good when you are in towns. It's good to treat your water, especially for those tap water, and those also who are living in rural areas. Ensure that when you pick your water from the river, you boil or you treat it using chlorine or water guard. This will help you to prevent you from getting this infection. And at times, when you talk about water, it can be a mode of transmission whereby sometimes you find that if it's tap water, sometimes it breaks on the way. And when it breaks on the way, it collects some other microorganisms and come into your house with them. So ensure that you treat your water and you boil your water before you drink. The third thing that I also want us to talk about is food. We just discovered that you can easily get typhoid through food, eating contaminated food or food that is not well prepared. So ensure when you are preparing your food, you prepare it well. Ensure you cook it well. Ensure you rinse it with clean water. If there are fruits, make sure that you avoid eating fruits before washing them. Ensure you wash them first before you eat. And if it's meat, ensure that you properly cook it. And if it's veggies, you also ensure that you properly cook it. So this will help you to control it will help to control the spread of typhoid. Another thing is also control of pests. Ensure that insects. Ensure that you spray the insects and you clear the bushes around you so that you can avoid the insect from being vectors, carrying fecal matter from toilet to food. So these ways will help prevent you from getting typhoid, and you'll be safe all through, not only typhoid but also other infections. So ensure that you observe hand hygiene, you properly prepare your food, and you treat your water before you drink. Thank you very much for watching.